Hey folks, it is, I believe it's Thursday. It's about 2 degrees out here, nice and clear, cold. Well, remember in my last video, those runs I had in here, eh? Well, here, I started buffing it out with 1,000 grit. And I won't get too close here. But as you can see, it's all gone. I don't know how much as you can really see, but yeah. On this side, which is passenger, and this piece over here, which you probably can't see too good, but I believe it's somewhere in here. Yeah, right around here. That run's all gone, and that's just with 1,000 grit. And I was just from watching a video about a guy doing it on YouTube, so I thought I'd give it a try. And then back over here, as we walk around, all this shit in the way. But what the hell, eh? Okay, now this is the big run. As you can see, it is all gone. It used to be, I believe, around here, but that's with 1,000 grit, and then some. What do we got here? Some 1,500, but really good. Use really good sandpaper. And then from there I went to, we got here, this is 2,000, wet and dry. Airplanes. And then, looking for some real fine rubbing compound. And this is just scratch remover, super fine, eh? It cost me a whole $2, but I believe a little bit more, or I will just try and buff that out with some wax after. But it all came out, so shine is not nearly as impressive as what this is right now. But it will be, and save me repainting it. So I'll go back over here and do that one. Then I'll continue. I'd set it up and everything, let and watch you, but it's boring shit anyhow. So I'll keep in touch. Okay. Enjoy November. It's nice here, like I said. It's cool, but it's crisp and nice. Okay, chop now. Hey, just finished the passenger front corner, the front clip, and it came up pretty cool. You know, there's no runs. It's all nice and smooth. The gloss isn't exactly like the original paint, but nothing, like I said, a wax job won't take care of. It's all assembled. And there's the back one. Same thing, a little bit of haze. I might, like I said before, I might try and buff it out one more time, as you can see. But like I said, nothing but a coat of wax won't take care of. And that's it for that one. Still got that driver's side to do. So I'll do that and show you that one too. Okay? Okay. Ciao for now. Well, this is the last corner. Driver's rear. The front clip. And it came out best. Still a nice high gloss. Like the old saying goes, you get better as you go do more of it. I think maybe I'll go over the other 2 spots and tilt them up a little bit. You know, make them look a little bit shinier like this one here is. But yeah, I can't believe it. That's pretty cool. Saved me a lot of sanding and repainting. And I know you can't see it that well, but I'll try this way. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, like I said, that's what I did. And that's the original shine. So hopefully I can get that to look like that after it gets this first coat of wax. But yeah, just like I said, just some 2000 grit spray bottle full of water and a little bit of soap, and this good old stuff. $2. Just to buy some more. Have a couple of balls around. But yeah, so like I said, my little compound's taking a beating. Don't know how many tarps I got up there. I think about 3 or 4. But yeah, so like I said, till then, I'm either gonna redo this side, like buff it out a little bit more with that compound, or just leave as is. Okay, I'll add this to the other one. Maybe I'll put the 2 together for people that haven't seen the other one for a while or whatever. Okay? Okay. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Peace.